Action. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my transformers. How are
Hi.
you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Doing
Thank
good.
you so much.
And
How
how
are
are
you,
you
Sadamini?
feeling? How are you feeling after doing all activities like personality, wheel of life, speech,
Yeah.
baseline, Saudamini? I'll start from you.
Yeah. Hi, Mitesh. He said hi. Yeah. So yeah, I am actually thankful to you, Rajni, for bringing so many things to me. And I am in an introspection mode now. Now I am thinking why things have been happening the way they have been happening and all that. And after seeing this, that my baseline are matching with all these areas under baseline expression activity, I'm feeling so good that all these areas are, just, I am feeling so confident about all of them, that they are there because, and then with little more efforts, I may score a little more higher then.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Saudamini. This introspect word you are using now, that means you are able to work on every area of your life, like what I
Yes.
have to do to come out from that
Yes.
particular situation. Nice, Saudamini.
Yeah.
So don't you think, Mitesh, we
Thank you.
should say Saudamini, you rock by the count of
Yes,
3, 2, 1? Okay.
yes.
So 3, 2, 1. Saudamini, you rock.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. My
Yeah.
pleasure. So, what is your experience, Mitesh?
amazing, amazing experience. I've been constantly, as Sodamini said, even I've been introspecting all the things, all the events in my life. And then at one point of time, I came to know, why my relationship with one of the society member is not, what I want it to be.
Mm.
So that has forced me to think. So I'm trying now, like I will, no matter what, I will try to match all my baselines, and I will try to make my relationships with the society member also very good.
Correct.
So
Okay.
this is what
Good.
has forced me now. So all thanks to
Really.
you and these wonderful, powerful tools.
Thank you so much. And when I keep this Transformers name na is really suited on us, because when I saw children are playing the Transformers game something na, where
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
one thing is changing into some another form. So similarly, this is
Yes.
happening with us also. I can see a
Yes.
better version of yours, Transformers.
Yes. Yes.
So thank you.
Yeah.
So here also, what we will do today we will do the baselines non-expression activity. Yesterday,
Okay.
last session we have done our expression activity. It is similar but just opposite. So what you
Okay.
have to do, you have to take your all baselines aside and see the all areas of your wheel of life, and you have to see where those baselines are not matching or not expressing. Okay,
Expressed. Yeah.
so without wasting any time, we'll start, and I'll give you some time.
Okay.
I'll get back to you. Okay, so you can start now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So I'll start from Saudamini. Uh,
Yes.
Please tell me, in which area your baselines are not matching?
I see here that my career, health and fitness, and position, I have never thought of that way, from that angle, that I should have a position also. So, but then now I am thinking that why not? We should have. And now from career perspective, I see that my ambition, the dignity I hold, it's not there. Then it's hampering somewhere the fitness also. So my mental fitness, then somewhere that thankfulness is also not coming as a proper match to this particular area of my life.
Well said.
So this is one thing. And then definitely health and fitness fitness is my baseline also, and it's the area of life also. So my standard of fitness are somewhere not matching. I feel I'm not that fit, and without, because of career and all those things which are not good in life, somewhere that mental fitness is not also going good. Yeah.
Okay.
So my care, mental fitness, ambition is not meeting in health and fitness also. So, and since I have not thought of position ever, so I feel once my career and all these things will be okay, maybe I'll go ahead and take up some positions also in future. Yes.
Well said, Saudamini. And
So-
I'm so touched when I'm seeing you that you are expressing your baselines which are not matching with so many emotions. That is why this particular
Yes.
thing is not working for me. You are aware now, and it has given you the whole idea of what is the reason and where you are lagging and why.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
whole
And
idea
so
of
my, yeah, so my state is also goes average and below average, I will say, when I'm talking about all this.
True.
Yeah.
So similarly, the whole idea of this activity is this only. To it is now it is clear to, I think, both of you, that it gives a clear cut picture of your current status and why you are enjoying or not enjoying something in your
Yes.
life. Okay. So Mitesh,
Yes.
tell me about your how many baselines are not matching with your
Yeah,
area.
two are not matching. One is possession and the other one is wealth. So as Saudamini said, I agree with her. Like, I had also never thought about possession in my entire life. I was happy and content with whatever it is. But now all doing these activities have made me realize, like, I have not owned any possession till now.
Correct.
In fact, I should be owning, and probably that is one of the reasons, I had rated it low.
Hmm.
So that awareness has come now, and now that awareness itself, by doing this exercise, immediately this struck me. Now I have to work really hard
True.
to have some kind of possession. So that itself is a wonderful feeling, and I'm all charged up and motivated. I have to do something about it. So all thanks.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Mitesh, we should give a huge round of applause to Mitesh also, don't you think, Saudamini?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Because
Yes.
now
Yes.
he's
Yes.
charged up. He said he's charged up. Even despite being
Yes.
like baselines are not matching what is happening in my life, I am aware, but I am charged up to do the action. Isn't it
Yes,
so
I want
Yeah.
to
wonderful?
take.
Yeah.
I want to
Yes. Yes.
take
It's
some kind
really
of
good.
action.
Yeah. Yeah.
True, true. I can
With
see
his
the vibes
presence, some
on your face.
positivity comes. Yes. The vibes are really good. Yes. With
Correct.
him in
All
the
thanks to
group.
Coach
Yes.
Rajni.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to both of you for sharing your baseline non-expressions. And so with this, I am ending this session. And so clap for three of us, I think, that we are
Yes.
going a lot about ourselves. And in our next session,
Yeah.
we will do the activity
Yes.
called the change. Till then,
Okay.
take care, keep smiling, both of you, and we'll meet
Yes.
soon. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you.
much,
Thank
guys.
you,
Bye
Rajni.
bye.
Thank you.